this video, I'll show you how you can change your privacy settings to join private servers. Now first what you want to do is head over to roblox.com, and from in here you want to press on the settings button. Then press settings and you'll come to this page. Now from in here what you want to do is you want to press on privacy, and from in here you can then choose your settings. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that all of these are either set to friends or everyone. Then when you scroll down to other settings, as you can see here, who can make me a member of their private server. Now make sure this is not set to no one. Make sure it's either friends or everyone, depending on who you want to join as the private server. You can just choose everyone if you want everyone to be able to make you a member of their server. Then you can also change these, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.